Is it working? Yes. So, what's up guys? How's it going? It's been a while since I did a video like this. Just like, one-on-one in my office, right in front of my computer. I'm actually editing right now. And I really wanted to let you know what is going to happen with the channel for 2024. There's a ton of stuff. I already bought 2 cars that you're not even aware of. Well, you're probably aware of it if you're following me on Instagram right now, but if you're not aware of these cars, well, stay tuned because I'm going to let you know a little bit more about it within this video. It's going to be quick. I want to let you know what is going to happen for 2024. 2023 was crazy. We did the Cargems series. We worked with partners and it was crazy. We had a schedule. We had to, align everything together so that way we could, create a beautiful restoration. And it was very, very complicated. Let me explain. We had to build our videos and then take all those videos and get them approved and everything. And it felt to me like I was not the guy in charge anymore. So anyway, Cargems 2023, it happened. It was awesome. You saw the car, and the car is going to be on the channel. Still, it's going to be on the channel. There's so much stuff left to do on the Integra Type R, not restoration wise, but more into upgrades. I want to make this car like a top class OEM plus build, so that's going to be awesome. So that's what's going on with the Integra Type R. There's supposed to be a condensed version of Cargems coming out really soon. I'm actually working on it right now, but there's going to be Cargems in French. If you are following me and you are French speaking, that's going to be for you. But there's 2 more Cargems series for 2024. Let me explain. So the first one is your typical Cargem build. So we are taking a future classic, restoring it, and then it's going to be the build. So that's Cargem 2024. It is a beautiful Honda CRX. You're going to see the car on the channel really soon. Stay tuned, it's going to be crazy. And there's Cargems USA. I've been hinting this project for the past year, and it's finally happening. I cannot tell you what it is. I cannot tell you what's the car, but the car has been bought and we are going to bring the car to the shop next weekend. So as you are watching this, probably in the upcoming days. And so that's another car. Then there's another vehicle, and I'm not saying car, it's a vehicle that I just bought, and it's going to be like a side project. Like it's going to fill the gap between all the episodes of Cargems and other stuff. So I bought a 2024 Silverado, and I'm so freaking obsessed with that thing. It's the brand new color. It's called Slate Gray. The truck looks awesome, and we already did some mods to it, and I bought the car like this past Wednesday. So it's going to be fun. We want to lift it, exhaust, intake, maybe a supercharger, I don't know. It's going to be awesome. So that's another thing that you're going to see on the channel. And also there's one last thing that I want to let you know. I decided to sell some of my cars because me and my girlfriend, we are actually buying our first house together. So we needed money, so I decided to sell 2 of my cars. Unfortunately, I'm going to sell the Jetta, the Fast and the Furious Jetta, but it's going to a museum. So there's going to be a video about the museum taking delivery of the car. You're going to love it. The car will still be in my Instagram feed. You're going to see it, so that's cool at least. And also the S2000. It's been almost 3 years since I bought the S2000. And it's now time to move on. I already have like a convertible if I want the full open top experience, but the S2000 is just leaving. I'm not putting money into that car. It's not a build. I do not have time to drive that thing anyway. So the car was sold literally yesterday, and the guy is taking delivery of the car in about a week and a half. So there's that for the S2K. I'm still waiting on my FL5. I did a video last year and the year before. We are still waiting for that car. So Honda, hello, I'm still waiting. But anyway, yeah, I think this is it. So guys, you're going to love the upcoming years for the channel. It's going to be awesome. There are so many builds. There's also another JDM car that I just bought, but you're going to see it later. So guys, so many projects. Don't forget to subscribe, share this page with your friend. It takes only like a second to share and to subscribe, and to me it means the world. So guys, with that said, it was just like a quick video, and at the same time I'm using my new gear, so the quality of the video will be next level for 2024. So guys, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.